If you are thinking about getting into vinyl or upgrading your current setup without spending a lot, this video is for you. Today on Tech eGadget, we are counting down the top 5 budget record players you can buy in 2026. From all-in-one turntables with built-in speakers to Bluetooth-enabled models that work with modern audio gear, we have tested options that balance sound quality, features, and price. We will cover what each record player does well, who it is best for, and which one offers the best value overall. Let's get started and find the right turntable for your setup. The DIGITNOW Belt Drive Turntable is a well-rounded option for anyone who wants to enjoy vinyl without the usual setup hassle. It is designed to work seamlessly with Bluetooth speakers or active speakers, so you can place it anywhere and keep your listening space clean and simple. The built-in phono preamp is a big plus for beginners, removing the need for extra equipment. Sound quality is handled by the Audio-Technica AT3600L moving magnetic cartridge, which delivers clear detail and a warm, balanced tone that suits both new and old records. The adjustable counterweight and advanced anti-skating system help protect your vinyl while ensuring stable and accurate tracking at both 33 and 45 rotations per minute. Visually, the high-gloss black wood finish gives this turntable a classy, retro look that fits nicely into modern or vintage-style rooms. It feels more like a piece of furniture than a gadget. Another standout feature is the USB digital output, which lets you convert your vinyl collection to digital files on your computer. With a generous set of included accessories and an easy setup process, the DIGITNOW turntable offers strong value for casual listeners and vinyl newcomers alike. The FancyRabbit H2410 record player is a charming all-in-one solution for anyone who wants vinyl sound with modern convenience. Designed with a warm rosewood finish and a classic vintage style, it works just as well as home decor as it does an everyday music player. At the heart of the turntable is the AT3600L magnetic cartridge, which tracks record grooves accurately and delivers clear, detailed audio. The adjustable counterweight helps reduce distortion and unwanted noise, giving records a smoother and more balanced sound. It supports both 33 and 45 rotations per minute and plays 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch vinyl records with ease. What makes this model especially convenient is the built-in speaker system. With 2 silk tweeters and 2 mid-bass speakers, it produces surprisingly full sound with good clarity and depth without needing external speakers. Bluetooth 5.0 is also built in, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or computer. With its natural wood construction, easy setup, and versatile features, the FancyRabbit H2410 makes a thoughtful Christmas or birthday gift for vinyl lovers and casual listeners alike. Number 3. The Qlearsoul 1Q all-in-one vinyl record player is designed for listeners who want classic analog sound without a complicated setup. With built-in speakers, Bluetooth 5.4 input, and a switchable phono preamp, it works straight out of the box while still offering room to grow with external speakers or headphones. The turntable supports both 33 and 45 rotations per minute and handles 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch records with ease. It uses the trusted AT3600L magnetic cartridge paired with a lightweight tone arm and adjustable counterweight to deliver stable tracking and reduce skips or distortion. An auto-off function adds a nice touch of convenience for everyday use. Sound performance is surprisingly strong for an all-in-one design. 4 full-range speakers produce clear highs and solid bass, while the internal isolation structure helps reduce vibration for a cleaner listening experience. After a short break in period, the sound becomes more balanced and open. Finished in a walnut style with a retro-inspired design, the 1Q looks great in any room. It is a thoughtful gift choice for beginners, returning vinyl fans, or anyone who wants an easy, stylish way to enjoy records and wireless streaming. Number 2. The 1x1 high-fidelity belt drive turntable is a smart choice for listeners who want a clean, stylish vinyl setup without extra components. Finished in a walnut tone with a mix of wood and metal materials, it has a refined look that blends easily into modern or classic living spaces. This all-in-one turntable supports both 33 and 45 rotations per minute and comes with built-in speakers for instant playback. It also offers wireless Bluetooth streaming and an aux-in option, so you can play music from a phone, tablet, or computer when you are not spinning records. The built-in amplifier allows easy connection to externally powered speakers if you want to upgrade your sound later. For vinyl playback, the magnetic cartridge and adjustable counterweight help maintain proper balance and reduce distortion. The Audio-Technica diamond-tipped stylus tracks grooves accurately, delivering warm tones, clear vocals, and a satisfying analog character. An auto-off function adds convenience and helps protect your records and stylus. With its replaceable stylus, detachable dust cover, and simple setup, the 1x1 turntable is ideal for beginners and casual vinyl fans who want good sound, flexible features, and a polished design in one compact system. Number 1. The MYKESONIC Automatic Record Player is designed for listeners who want vinyl convenience without giving up sound quality. With a modern midnight black finish and a clean metal accented design, it fits easily into contemporary living spaces while keeping the setup simple. This belt drive turntable uses the trusted AT3600L magnetic cartridge, known for accurate groove tracking and a warm, detailed sound. Automatic operation takes the guesswork out of playback, making it especially friendly for beginners. It supports both 33 and 45 rotations per minute, and works with records of all standard sizes. Built-in hi-fi stereo speakers deliver clear, room-filling sound for casual listening. For more flexibility, the turntable offers Bluetooth input and output, letting you stream music from your phone or send vinyl audio wirelessly to Bluetooth headphones or speakers. Aux-in, headphone support, and RCA output are also included for wired listening options. A standout feature is the included remote control, which lets you adjust playback and volume from across the room. With its combination of automation, versatile connectivity, and solid audio performance, the MYKESONIC Record Player is a practical and stylish choice for anyone looking to enjoy vinyl and wireless music in one system.